Hi, in this video we are going to see the universities recruitment notification, guys, and I'm going to show you the total three universities. One is a central, second one is a state, and third one is a private university. So from these universities, whatever the assistant professor, associate professor and the professor vacancies are there, we are going to see all these details, guys, along with the qualifications, age limit and the procedure of apply. Fine. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications in the universities. And here the Central University is also offering the permanent vacancies under the pay scales, guys. Okay, level 10 and 14 like that. So I think it will be very much helpful to your friends or colleagues if you share to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the three different types of universities recruitment notification, and please give me one like, guys.
Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video.
And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here the first state university we are going to see, it is Savitribai Phule Pune University. So it is from this one, from the Department of Education and Extension, we got the recruitment notification under the contractual basis for the assistant professor, guys. So assistant professor contractual in the Department of Education and Extension on consolidated salary of 30,000 rupees per month up to 31st May 2022. And here the total number of vacancies are 6 are there, and you can see the subjects also: mathematics, chemistry, botany, zoology, and as per the caste category the number of vacancies are also divided here. And coming to the educational qualifications, MSc, BEd or MEd. Okay, that means MSc with BEd or else MEd with 55% of marks, and 5% of relaxation is there to the reserved category candidates. And the candidates must be qualified NET or SLET or SET or PhD in the education or subject specialization as prescribed in the UGC regulation. And minimum educational qualifications for the post of assistant professor shall be as specified by the UGC regulations. Fine. And the preference will be given to the candidates having experience in the e-content development and the delivery. Interested candidates should send their application along with the complete biodata and attested copies of all necessary documents or certificates to Head of the Department Education and Extension, SPPU, by email only, HODDEE@UNIPUNE.ac.in within the 10 days from the issue of this advertisement. Okay. So these are all the details regarding this notification, guys. And the list of the eligible candidates will be displayed on the university website. The date of the interview will be communicated to the eligible candidates through the email ID or else the mobile number. And you are requested to check out the official website from time to time. Okay. And coming to the next one is Ranchi University, guys. So from this Ranchi University, here we got the recruitment notification. A walk-in interview has been organized by the university for preparation of panel for appointment of assistant professor on purely contractual basis under self-finance scheme in the following subjects for 11 months, subject to reappointment on the satisfactory performance. And coming to the subjects here: human rights, School of Yoga, PG, diploma in guidance and counseling, fashion designing, performing and fine arts, medicinal plant, geoinformatics, gemology, mineral exploration, global sustainability and climate change. So these are the different subjects, guys. If you belongs to these subjects, okay, eligibility and eligibility candidates, eligibility criteria, everything as per the UGC norms, guys. So actually for the assistant professor category, as per the UGC norms, you must have the post graduation in the particular discipline plus UGC NET qualification must be there. But out of the subjects mentioned here, I think few subjects the UGC NET exam is not there. So you can apply with only PG for such type of subjects, guys. No problem. And eligible candidates interested in appearing before the interview board are advised to report at least 1 hour before the scheduled time for verification of all relevant certificates or the testimonials. They are requested to bring the 2 sets of Xerox copies of all certificates or the testimonials. Okay. And the interview dates are given, guys: 28th June 2021, morning 10:30, Institute of Legal Studies, Campus Ranchi, and subjects PFA, theater, music, dance, fine arts, geoinformatics, gemology, mineral exploration, global sustainability and the climate change. And coming to the 29th June 2021 morning 10:30, Institute of Legal Studies, Moravadi campus, Ranchi. So on these dates, yoga, guidance and counseling, fashion designing, human rights and medicinal plant. Okay, eligibility as per the university norms, and MR events as per the government of Jharkhand Higher Technical Education and Skill Development. And you have to pay 1,000 rupees of fee, guys, in the form of payee, account payee demand draft issued by any recognized bank in favor of registered Ranchi University. So Ranchi University, payable at Ranchi, has to be deposited at the time of verification of testimonials. So TADA will not be provided for the attending the interview, guys. Okay, so these are the things regarding the Ranchi University. Fine. And coming to the next one is Jamia Millia Islamia University, guys. So from this one, actually, we got the permanent recruitment notification regarding the professor, associate and assistant professor. Okay, why I'm telling permanent? Because they are giving the pay scales for these positions, guys. So professor and associate, as well as the 4 assistant professors. Below this PDF, few more vacancies are there for the assistant professor, guys. Okay, don't stop this video here. So here, MDES 2-year professional education diploma in design, master's degree with 55% of marks in design, interior, product, communication, industrial, new media, or else MTech in relevant disciplines. Okay, with net qualification, guys. Okay, and next one, faculty of engineering and technology. I am taking you to the one assistant professor vacancy is there in the environmental studies. So here also the same thing, guys. PG with 55% of marks, net or SLET or CSIR net qualification must be there. Okay, regarding the environmental studies. And next, 2 assistant professor for the master's degree in environmental studies only. So most of the vacancies are there under the environmental science category. And coming to the faculty of humanities and language, 1 professor in German, associate professor in Japanese, and 2 assistant professor in Turkish is there. So if you're having the master's degree in the Turkish language with the net or SLET or qualification is there, then you may apply. And 1 assistant professor in Korean. Okay, and next 1 assistant professor in Mandarin Chinese. And next, hospital management, and here also assistant professor vacancies are there. 4 assistant professor vacancies are there. Okay, so they are asking for good academic record with a PhD or else MBBS, BDS or MBA in hospital or healthcare management. Okay, at least 55% of marks, then also fine, guys. So along with that one, UGC net or SLET qualification must be there. And these are the pay scales: professor academic level 14 and associate 13A, and assistant professor academic level 10. Okay, so these are the things, guys. And you may check down the few more points also mentioned here. I will provide all the 3 notification links in the description box of this video. So if you belongs to any one of these departments, please go through the official website and gather the most relevant and suitable data to you, and then start applying for this post, guys. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of vacancies. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys.
Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.